This Nivea body lotion is going to glow your skin, brighten up your skin without any effect. Hello, amazing viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Rejoice Edwin. If you're watching me for the first time on your screen, I do make videos about skincare, beauty, lifestyle, and vlog. And if you're coming back to watch my videos, thank you so much for returning. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for more videos about skincare tips. When it comes to Nivea, selecting a body lotion can be very trickish. Why do I say so? Because Nivea is a very big brand that has so many body lotions, both for those who are dark in complexion and for those who are fair in complexion. So you may be wondering, which Nivea product should I use to lighten my body that will not leave any effect on my skin? That is the purpose of this video. So there are 7 best Nivea body lotions that are very affordable and they don't have any effect. Instead, they are only going to glow your skin and give you the best results that you are looking for. So are you ready? Please do watch this video too. First Nivea body lotion that I will be mentioning that is going to brighten up your skin to the core is the Nivea Extra White Radiant and Smooth Body Lotion. Yes, so this body lotion you're seeing here on my screen is for those who have a very dull or who suffer from dull and tired skin and they feel like, okay, no, I want to brighten up my skin, I don't want to have a dull skin anymore, then you can go for the Nivea Extra White Radiant. Well, this body lotion has a deep white essence that repairs and nourishes and even smooths the skin. It also contains SPF that protects your skin from the harsh rays of the sun. So if you don't feel like putting on sunscreen, just apply this body lotion and you go off for the day. Not forgetting that this body lotion contains vitamin C, and we all know that vitamin C helps in brightening the skin very well. And there's not going to be any effect. Don't be afraid to use it. You will not suffer from any effects like stretch marks, green lines, or how is it being called, or veins. You will not see any of those on your body if you use this body lotion. The next is the Nivea Body Firming Body Lotion Q10. This one here, Q10 Plus, right? So this one, it makes your skin firm and improve the elasticity in 10 days, the elasticity of your skin in 10 days. It contains vitamin C also that will lighten up your skin very well, and it will also moisturize your skin because it contains a moisturizer that will moisturize your skin for 2 days, which is 48 hours, making you to have a very smooth and glowing skin. So what are you waiting for, baby girl? So our number 3 is a very popular one, which is the Nivea Natural Fairness. This one here is a Nivea Natural Fairness, and it's very good because it helps enlightening the skin very well, and it also have a sun protector in it. Like my sister currently is using this, and the result has been super amazing. Her skin is very smooth and very good. So I'll suggest you go for this one. That aside, let's move to our number 4. So the number 4 is the Nivea Whitening Even Tone. This one is the Nivea Whitening Even Tone. It contains vitamin C, and it also has an SPF, and it's very affordable. It will protect your skin and it's going to reduce the appearance of dark spots and dark marks or acne scars that you have on your body. You know, most of these Nivea body lotions that I will mention are for brightening of the skin, and that is why most of them contains vitamin C, because vitamin C helps in brightening the skin, as I said earlier. So the our number 5 Nivea product that we will be mentioning is the Nivea Natural Glow Cell Repairing Body Lotion. Well, this was known as the Nivea Extra Whitening Lotion, but according to the research that I made, I found out that okay, it has been newly improved to the Nivea Natural Glow Cell Repair Body Lotion. So this one, it gives an instant glow, yes, to the skin by bringing evening out your skin and making it to look very, very fair. And also it protects your skin from the sun. It's not like other body lotions where you use and you'll be seeing effects like stretch marks, which is not good. Like, I don't like it when a body lotion is going to bring stretch marks to my body. I will not use that body lotion. But these body lotions, they don't have such effect on the skin. Instead, they're only going to assist your skin to glow the more. Then now our number six. Our number six is the Nivea Even and Radiant. Nivea Nivea Even and Radiant Even Tone. See? Yes. So this one is enriched with purely active vitamin E and it has an SPF of 15 that works gradually. This one works very gradually on your skin to enhance the complexion of your skin with time. To me, if you're using any body lotion, I would suggest that you should use that body lotion for maybe for 2 weeks so that you can see if it's really working or not. Our last but not the least, which is the Nivea Extra White Smooth and Firm. The one I mentioned earlier was the Nivea Body Firming Body Lotion. This one is for firming, but this one is for extra white, smooth, and firm. So this one is for those who want to lighten their skin and at the same time make their skin to be very firm at the same time. So this one, it contains vitamin C, which is normal, and it has an SPF of 33 that provides daily protection on your skin against any sun rays. Nivea body lotions are actually the best brands that I find very good because these body lotions come along with healthy ingredients that help the skin to be very, very, very good, and it will glow your skin. And if you're having any skin damaged before, maybe if you damage your skin, or maybe if your skin was damaged by sun or by a particular body lotion, this Nivea product is going to help repair your skin back to its amazing Nivea body lotions that I have seen people use and the effect was good. So please don't be afraid to use these body lotions, and do drop a comment if you're currently using any Nivea body lotion that you find really, really helpful at the comment section. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and do give me a thumbs up at the end of this video. Bye.